Hi guys, it's Yumi, and today we're gonna open the Pooparoos Surpriseroos from my birthday and from my sister Haley. Okay, let's open the box. Open sesame. I don't need these scissors. Okay, let's see what's inside. Let's get it out. We got a blue toilet with a cute little face on it. So cute with tiny little, it's blushing, it's sticking out its tongue and has a unicorn horn on the top. It's really cute and it has a spatula, a purple spatula. Let's put it on the side right here and let's see what's inside the toilet. What is this? What is this? It's a cute puppy and it's really squishy. You. Oh, it makes a cute little noise. And it's really squishy. Squish! It's a puppy. And it's bouncy. Whoa, get back here. Okay, let's put you on the side. It has pink hair. I really like that pink hair. Let's open up the top piece. It's the hardest thing to get opened. Oh, I got it open. What's inside of here? Oh, we got tiny little toys. And what's in here? Okay, so before we open the picture, there's another thing in here. And we gotta fill this up with water. I filled it up with water, and I'll show you that I filled it up with water. It's wet. Okay, now I'm gonna put these little paper bags into the water, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Okay, let's see. Strip that one in, and this one in, and this last one. And let's mix it. Let's see what it looks like. What is that? Ooh, there's something in there. Let's see what it is. Okay, guys, I'm going to see what it is. So let's see what we got in here. I have to stick my hand in here to look. We got a green poop covered in some of that toilet paper. I'll put it on the side. It's really small and cute. Where's that tiny little face? Where is that face? There it is. It's really wet, too. That's why it's a little blurry. Okay, let's see the next one. Okay, let's see what the next one is. I see something yellow. It's a yellow hamburger. Really cute. Okay, let's put it beside his little friend right here. Ba-da-ba-dum. They're friends forever. Let's see the last one. Where are you? Hello? Anyone in there? Hello? Oh, I feel it. It's a tiny cupcake. It's really cute and small. Let's go let him join his friends. Poop, get over here. Yay! We got all of them now. Now it's time for the puppy to eat. Dun, dun, dun. No! Dun. Go first. No, don't be happy. Yum, yum. Eat the cupcake. Yum, 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 Dun, dun, dun. Oh, yeah. Yes, it's gone. If you want to go see, come on, follow me. Yeah, it's in there. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it, right there. I'm gonna go eat them out. Help me! Nom! Come into my mouth, and you'll be free. Nom! Now I need to go poop again. Open the toilet. Yes. It fell. I need to go poop now. I need a poop. Oh, yes, it's coming out. Must come out. Poop. Hey. Must eat the last one. Must eat. You pooped already? Come back here! Nom, nom, nom. Ow! Dun-dun-dun. Must poop this one out too. And flush them down the sewer. Now, I will flush them. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. Now I must boing away. Boing, 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 boing. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.